That's the 8th class of After Effects. Okay, in this class we just talk about uh, what the meaning of parent and link. Okay, what the meaning of parent and link. Okay, so let's discuss about what the meaning of parent and what the meaning of child. Okay, so parent. So if parent exists, if child exists in the real world, so they have some properties there. Okay, they have some properties there, means parent have some properties there, but child have like that, some property are there. Okay, so child follow parent property, child follow parent property, but parent uh, does not follow the child property, means child maybe follow the parent property. It's not it's not matter child must be follow the uh, parent property, but it's maybe follow the child, means his child maybe follow the parent property, but parent does not follow the child property. I just give one real example. Okay, real time example. Okay, so you just think that if your parent sit like some style. Okay, but in this style your child also the your child also sit like that. Okay, so if your parent are silent, don't talk so much, the child also same like that. Okay, so but you just see one thing. Okay, so if child jump and child cry. Okay, but this property cannot follow the parent. Okay, parent does not cry and it does not jump. Okay, so means why parent jump and cry, means that's not happen. Okay, so means you clear about all these things. I just says whatever thing you I think maybe you understand or not. Okay, so just I just practically show this thing, then you can understand. Okay, so previously if you don't directly watch this video, then maybe you can understand, but I just suggest you just go to the my previous video and you just watch, because in the previous video I just talk about the what the meaning of solid layer. Okay, so I just say one thing here. I use solid layer. Okay, so first I take my position. Okay, what the meaning of solid layer means, in the previous video I already say one thing. Solid layer means when you have one project is there, you just create one animation. When you just export this thing. Okay, export this thing automatically after effect, the media encoder automatically remove the background, means automatically convert it into the black. Means if your background color is any type of if you change the background color in after effect, automatically media encoder remove the color. Okay, how to solve this type of problem. So we use solid layer. Okay, I don't talk about the solid layer, but you just see that here I take two solid layer. First I create a component. Okay, here I just create a component, new component is there, and here one component option also there. Okay, so here you just see that I take one component, and this the component, yeah, this one is my component. Okay, so my component is created. Okay, so now I create a solid layer. Okay, here I just create a new solid layer. You just see that here I create one solid layer. Okay, so I take the pixel 995. Okay, you if you take you just take any type of solid layer, you just mention the size. Okay, and I take the color. You can take any type of color. Okay, okay, I just take the color, this one is my color. Okay, I take the color, and that's a solid layer. Okay, and you know that the solid layer is every time in the lower position, means it's in the bottom layer. This layer exists in the bottom. Okay, So you see that this one my solid layer. Okay, I create two layer. Okay, this one is the this one layer is there, one solid layer, and I make another solid layer. Okay, here I can just press scale S. Here scale, I just reduce the size. Okay, I make just reduce the size. Okay, that much size. Okay, it's okay. So now what can I do? Here I create another solid layer. Okay, new solid layer. Here I I make a solid layer. Okay, but now the changes, I just change the color. Okay, here, okay, here I just make a different type of color. So I take yellow. Okay, yellow or green, yeah, green. So this one I take this color. Okay, so you see that I have another layer is there, and I also reduce the size also. Yes, S means the shortcut, the solid for opening the scale. Okay, then I just reduce the size. You see that I reduce the size, and I change the position also here. I just change the position also here. You just see that. So what happened? This one is green layer. This one is the green layer. Okay, so I can, okay, yeah. So I just make the green one. I just drag and drop. Okay, I just make this one is the first layer and this one is the second layer. Okay, this one is the first layer and this one is the second layer. Okay, so here one option is there. Okay, here one option is there, parent and link option is there. I think it's visible. I think parent and link option is there. So what the meaning of this option? And here one option is the one good night coil type of, you see this type of logo, spiral logo. It's look like exact good night coil, you know that for mosquito killer. Yeah, so this type of coil also there. Then I don't know what. Okay, I use this type of good night. Okay, after some time. Okay, just to watch this thing how. Okay, so here you just understand here what two layer is there. Okay, two layer is there, but here parent and link option is there. Here parent and link option is there, and here none is set. Okay, not set anything, but I say that just click here, just click here. Okay, I say that this one here I just go to the green layer, and here I say that here when I just click here, automatically say that solid one. Okay, that's the color name, and solid one means the first layer I want to make the first layer into the parent. Okay, so if I just click here, means this one is the child, this layer become child of this one, means this one is the parent layer and this one is the child layer. So how you know that it's become parent and this one become child? So you just see that here I already said that. So according to the rule, if I just move this one, okay, if I just move this one, automatically the green one is move. Okay, so if I just move like that, automatically this one also move. Okay, I don't do anything, just undo. Okay, so you just see that, that's why it's a parent layer. So if I just do one thing, okay, but you just see that, okay, you see that if I just rotate this one, okay, you see that I just say that my workspace is like that. Okay, I just reduce my workspace. This one is my workspace. Okay, like that. Okay, just press N. Okay, that's my workspace. Okay, so here I say that in the zeroth position, in the zeroth position, if you just click in the parent layer, okay, in the parent layer, I don't touch any I don't touch the child layer. Okay, in the parent layer I just press R means shortcut of rotation. Okay, here I just say that in the zero I add a keyframe. Okay, so I say that after 3-4 second, okay, after 3 second, my it rotate 3 time. Okay, it's rotated 3 time. You just see that how what happened. You see that automatically when my parent rotate, automatically my child also rotate. Child follow the parent. You just see that my child also follow the parent. Okay, that's the okay. So you can do like that, you can directly do like that, automatically select also. But here you can make this one also. If you just do one thing, you just press none, and here you say that this one, here you just go to this option, and you say that this green color is my parent. Okay, here means you just say what happened. Now what happened means the green one, the here what happened, the this one is the, here I say that a green one is my parent. Okay, now the green one is the parent of this one. Okay, so what happened if I just move? Okay, here you see that nothing happened, means if I move this one. Okay, if I move this one automatically here, if I just move this one, automatically this one is moved. Okay, because because this one is your parent and this one is the child. But you just see that if I move this one, if I move this one, just to try to understand, if you understand the parent and child concept, then you understand what I do, the next procedure. Okay, so you just see that if I move this one, nothing happen because child, if the child jump, its parent does not follow the child property. Okay, so you just see that if I move this one, nothing happen. But if I move this one, if I move this one, automatically this one is moved, because now I just make this one as a parent and this one the child. Okay, so if you don't understand, then watch this video again and again, you understand. Okay, so and you just I press none. Okay, and you just do one thing, another option also there. Here just one good night option is there. Now I use this one. Okay, so I say that here I just click here, here I click here. Okay, I say that this one is my parent. Green one, green layer say that my magneta layer, solid one is my parent. Okay, magneta color. Okay, so just you just drag it, just drag, and here just connect like that. It's okay, like that. Okay, now automatically it's become parent, means it's become parent and this one is the child. Now you see that if I just move this one, automatically this one also moved. Okay, so now if I just move this one, now it's a child, it's not a parent. Okay, so nothing happen because parent does not follow the child property. So you just see that now what happened, automatically it's rotate. Now you just see that automatically it's rotate. Okay, so I just to make it closer. Okay, now it's visible. Okay, now you just see that it's rotate. So can I rotate the small child one? Okay, so I just rotate the child one also. Okay, so you try to understand, that's the main thing. Okay, so my green color. Okay, my green color is already selected. So here I just press, just tell me what I press. R means rotation. Okay, I say that in the here in the zeroth position, my I add one keyframe. Okay, in the zeroth position I add one keyframe, and here in the fourth position, in the after 3 seconds, means it's around 4 seconds, I add one keyframe. I say that my rotation it's faster than the parent. Okay, so in the fourth time, okay, fourth time it's rotate. Okay, it's fourth time, it's so fast, means you just see that, means simultaneously it rotate to the parent, means it's rotate around the parent as well as itself also. Okay, so means you just see that automatically it's like a moon and earth, means you know that how means you just think that this one is the earth and this one is the moon. Okay, means the earth is moving, but in the moon also automatically move, means moon also moving itself, and it's also what I say that it's also just move around the earth also. Okay, it's just rotate around the earth also. It's a moon and a earth concept. Okay, means you can say that the earth is the parent and moon is the child. Okay, so like that. Okay, so if you understand why I just focus this thing, because by using this technique I make a simple project. Okay, I make a simple project, that's why you try to understand. Okay, so like that. So that's the parent and child concept. Okay, okay, so here I can use motion blur also. Here if I just here one motion blur is there. Here I just green motion blur is, you just see that motion blur applied here. When I apply the motion blur here, you just see that one motion blur is applied in the green layer. Okay, when I just remove it, then it's become sharp. Okay, in the here also I also use the motion blur. Okay, you just see that, but it's so little bit, because if you just if your layer is moved so fast, then the motion blur is appear. Okay, so what the next step? Okay, so let's one already I make a image. Okay, a illustrator file. I already have one illustrator file I create by using illustrator. One flower image is there, I just animate this image. Okay, okay, so I also give the media file link in the description. Okay, you don't worry, don't worry how I make the illustrator file, how I make the illustrator flower file. Okay, I give the illustrator file flower link in the description. Okay, it's a media file link. Okay, it's, you can easily download this thing. So I just remove all this thing. Okay, I just delete this thing, and here one solid color is also there. Here you can see the or I have two solid color is there, that's why in the solid folder I have two solid color is there. So I don't want this thing, delete it, just delete it. So now what can I do? Here you see that one flower AI, you just see that that's the AI file. .ai file means after add, means it's a Adobe Illustrator file. Okay, it's a illustrator file. Okay, I just import this thing, but makes you don't directly import this thing, because you just import all the layer, because they in this file, in this file many layers are there. Means there are small flower and big flower, main flower, there are different type of layer are there, because I make manually. Okay, so here your by default footage is selected. Okay, here by default footage is selected, but here you just make composition written layer. Okay, composition written layer size. Okay, make sure you change a little bit changes. Okay, so after you this thing change this one, then import this. Now my flower is imported. And here do one thing. Here you see that here double click here. Don't drag and drop here. Don't drag and drop in the in this place. Just double click. Okay, now you just see that everything is imported. There are many layers are there. Okay, then you just see that many small flower. These all are small flower. Okay, and these all are big flower. You see that these all are big flower, and this one is the main flower, and in the background, and this one is the main color. Okay, this one is the background layer. Okay, first I lock the main layer. Okay, this one is the main layer. Okay, you see that I just okay, there's the layer 1. Okay, and this one is the main. Okay, here you just see that automatically everything is first I lock the layer 1. Okay, the first I lock this one. Okay, so here what can I do? There are many layers are there. Automatically when I just hover my mouse all the flower, automatically it say that automatically these all are different layer. Okay, do one thing, just left click your mouse, just left click in the here one eye option is there, left click and just click and hold and drag it. Okay, click and click, hold and drag it. Okay, just like that. Okay, all the small layer. Okay, or all you can do like that. You just select this one in the small layer, then press shift button. Okay, press shift button, and here the last small layer is there. Now all the small layer are selected. Now you can do one thing, just do one thing here. One eye option is there, just click it. Automatically all the small flower are invisible now. All the small flower is not visible now. Okay, so you can undo it automatically. You can visible it. You just see that all the small flower, these all are the small flower. Okay, so I want to say that, okay, here you just see that this one is the big flower. These all are big flower. Okay, so let's understand what the meaning of big flower. You just see that I just press shift and here click here the big flower, and you just see that here all the big flower are nothing, not visible. Okay, so you just see that I can you see that these all are the big flower. Okay, so this one is the main flower. You just see that this one is the main flower. Okay, so I have an idea. Okay, I have an idea. What can I do now? Here I just make one thing. I say that all the big flower I have shipped, all the big flower are there. Okay, I say that all the big flower is my these all the big flower say that our parent is the main flower. Okay, you try to understand what I say, this type of language. Okay, so here one option is there. Okay, here one good night coil is there. I said I every time I say the good night coil. Okay, it's a spiral structure. Okay, here just a drag this one, just drag this one. Okay, and here you say that this layer, just main layer, just drag this one, and you say that this one is the parent layer of all this child. Okay, and just connect it. Now it's automatically select the 17 layer. You see that 17 layer means this one is the 17 layer, means the layer starting with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that. Okay, so now if I rotate the, now you just see that here I just click here and press R rotation, press R rotation. My rotation option is started. Okay, first I just set my work area. My work area, I just reduce my work area. Just okay, here I just press N. Okay, here I just press N means end. Okay, so in the zeroth second, I add one keyframe. Okay, and I say that after 3 seconds, my here my flower rotate 2 times or 3 times. You just say that 3 times. Okay, let's take 3 times. Okay, it's rotate 3 times. Okay, now you see that I move only the main layer, but automatically all the flower is rotate. Now you see that. Means automatically all the flower are rotate. Now all the flower are rotate. You just see that all the flower are rotate, but here it's so fastly move. Okay, I think I just remove. Okay, here I just change. Okay, just modify the speed. If you just modify the speed, then you just do one thing, shift, place shift and just drag it. Automatically it say that you previously set 3. Okay, you just to make 2. Okay, now 2. Okay, if I just then it's automatically reduce the speed. Okay, now the speed is reduced. Okay, now you see that speed is reduced. I again reduce the, I want to again reduce this one. Okay, it's I think it's visible. Okay, so do one thing. So can I okay, so I want to rotate all the flower. Okay, here I want to in the big flower, that this one is the main flower, and I want to rotate all the big flower. How I rotate all the big flower? You just see that how I rotate all the big flower. You just see that here these all are the big flower. Okay, here just click the first big flower and just press shift, and here one option is there. Now all the big flower are selected. Now all the big flower are selected. Do one thing, just press R. R means rotation, means then if you change here some value, then automatically change. I say that in the 0th position. In the 0th position, I just rotate all this outer layer flower, means all the big flower in clockwise direction. I have a plan. Okay, means I want to rotate all the small flower in the anti-clockwise direction. Means it have a very cool animation. Okay, you see that. Here I just add one keyframe. Okay, if I just you just see that I add one keyframe, means one big here in one big flower I just add one keyframe. Okay, automatically everything, because everything is a keyframe is added. Every big flower keyframe is added. Okay, you see that. Now I just do one thing. I say that in the 4th second, means it's around 4 second. Okay, 4 second. And so what can I do? Here I say that it's rotate. Okay, in clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction means I just make speed into 3. Okay, in the 3 speed it's 3. Okay, I just say that in the 3 rotation is 3. Automatically you just see that it's clockwise direction. Okay, now you just see that my flower moving. You just see that my flower also moving, my main flower moving, and at the same time my big flower also moving. Okay, in clockwise direction. You just see that. Now you see that I just play this one. Now you see that my big flower is my main flower is rotating, and all the big flower follow their parent. Okay, and they have some extra property also there. Means they have some extra property, means they also rotate. Okay, so like that. Okay. So where is my small layer? Means small, you see that here I just close all this thing. Okay, these all are the big. Okay, so let's do some animation in the small flower. Okay, I have small flower is there. So where is my small flower? So these all are my small flower, but I want to rotate all the small flower in anti-clockwise direction. So just press shift, and you know that, I think. Okay, so these are the here I just click here, and I just simply I select all the small flower, and it's not visible. First just click here. Now you see that all small flower is visible now. So do one thing, just press R. R means rotation, and you just say one thing, in anti-clockwise direction. You just say that in 2 means okay, the first time it's 0. I just create a keyframe. Okay, and I say that after 3 second, after 3 second, it's rotate, means here I say that it rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So how it's possible anti-clockwise direction? So I just write -2 minus. Where is my minus button? Yeah, -2 is there, but here first you just select this one. Okay, it's okay, it's all okay. This one, the rotation, I just unselect this thing. That's why first again I select this one. Okay, again I just select this one because I mistakenly this one is a small. Okay, that's I just again select, and I say that in the first position, here I say that here the rotation is there. Okay, R is there. Okay, so I say that in the this one, in this position, here I mention that I just rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, speed 2 round. Okay, 2 round in anti-clockwise direction. Now you see that all are selected. Okay, now you see that Now how the flower is look like now, you just see that. Now I just close all this thing. Okay, now I just close all the flower. You just see that manually. Now you just see that. Now you just see that how it's look like. Means my flower is means the big flower also move, the small flower also move, and my main flower also move. But here you just see that all my small flower are rotating in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction, I can apply the motion blur also in the small flower. How I apply? Just a click, hold, and a drag. You just see that. You understand, I think. Here motion blur, I can add the motion blur also. Small flower, in the small flower, I add some motion blur, um, but you see that I add some motion blur here. But the my small flower are small flower movement is very slow, that's why motion blur is not visible. But my big flower motion blur is visible, because if I just apply motion blur in big flower, it's visible because the speed is so high. Here you see that I just apply some big flower. Okay, okay, not this one. This one is different thing for rasterizing item. I use this thing, but this one is the big. Okay, this one is the big. You just see that. Here I just apply some. Here I just apply the motion blur. You just see that. Here 1 2 3 4 flower. Okay, I apply motion blur in the 4 flower. You just see that. If your object is moved so fast, then the motion blur is appear. Else it's not up. So now what can I do? I just link all the small flower layer, okay, to the main flower. Okay, so how I perform this type of thing? Okay, you just see one, just shift and just select this thing. Okay, now you see that all small flower are selected. Okay, now one spiral option is there. Just do one thing here. Just take automatically here. Do one thing. Okay, my all everything is selected. Okay, you can take any type of spiral. Okay, because every spiral is same now, because I select all this spiral bottom. Okay, so just take this one and just select in the main. Now it's parent, it's become the parent. Now you just see the means in the previously in the same position, these all small flower are rotate. Okay, but now they rotate, it's they rotate, the small flower are rotated, and as well as they also rotate around the main flower also. You just see that. No, you see that now how it's look like. You see that how it's look like. You just see that now it's so interesting. Now you see that it's so interesting. Okay, you see that now the motion blur is visible here. You see that now all the motion blur are visible. Now you just see that all the motion blur are visible like that. So how it's look like now, you just see that. Now you just see that. So here I can here do one thing. Here I say that here just to make n, means I just reduce the workspace here again. Now you see that it's working properly. Now you see that how it's cool animation. This type of animation we perform, means in the future we make so much different type of animation. Okay, and that's why I just pause this one. You see that, and these all are the motion blur. I use here motion blur. Okay, so the main concept in this video I want to say what the meaning of parent and child. Okay, how the parent and child are linked, how you link and the parent and child, and this spiral bottom also, you know, a new thing about the spiral bottom, how just drag and drop. If you don't understand, then you just watch the video again and again. I think it's very easy thing, but that's depend upon your mind. That's because all people are not have capacity to understand, as they don't have same capacity, means same IQ and what I say. Okay, so just do one thing. I don't want to say. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so for getting this type of update, okay, of After Effects. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I have a motivation. Okay, thank you.